Welcome to Chris Farm Nigeria. We are at a farm location as Obibiocha in Olu local government area, right? Yeah. Area of Imo State. So we are here to set up a farm, and the owner wants us to look through the farm to know what to do, the best option to do. We've looked at the underground, we've looked at the first floor. Those areas are perfect for the brooder's house. After brooding the birds, we can take some of them to the first floor to give them space so that they can grow well. We can even brood 2,000 birds in the brooder's house in the underground. When after 2 weeks you move some of them to the first floor to spread them. Why this place? This is the second floor. This second floor, I just saw it. It is perfect for the battery cages. We can get the battery cages and put them in this second floor. I just did the measurements now, and we are getting from here to the end of that place. We got 18.7 meter long, while 6.7 meter wide. So on this place, I just discovered they were talking about bringing down this block because the block is high. I'm seeing now, although it's high, but there's something I want to bring in an innovation that will aid better management of the birds in the battery cage. Actually, a battery cage ought to have a a pathway, a channel where the dogs can easily flow out. Which you can also use a manure dryer to convert your dogs into manure that you can sell. If you watch through our YouTube channel, you will see when I was displaying or teaching about the management or the use or the production of manure using manure drying machine. If you look at it, you will see our manure dryer there where we do those manure drying stuff. But the channel actually will help whoever that is managing the farm easily. That is to say, we have a flow-through system whereby the dungs will be flowing down through a channel and bringing it into a pit. Although it's called a safety tank, or in the local way, they could call it a sockaway. That safety tank will be the place where all the dungs that is here will be emptied. And you know that this is upstairs and there is diffusion of air. If you don't manage the dungs, people around will start complaining that there is poultry smell here. And we all know that poultry smell and poultry smell, it's unpleasant because of the ammonia content in the poultry dungs. It makes it poultry, and as a result of that, it makes it uncomfortable for people living around or people even coming to farm. But nevertheless, if we have a control system or a system that manages your dungs, the smell, the poultry smell that comes from your poultry dungs will be eradicated or will be controlled. Let me use the word because it cannot totally be eradicated, rather to be controlled to a minimum. Since this place is upstairs, there is need for you to do something like that. All we need to do, looking at this place now, I will be saying we are going to do a floor from here. We can see this first coach, second coach. From this second coach now, if we do put a block here, to put a block from here to here, it will be high. From here to here, from this place, we'll run a block from here down to that place. We measure from here to here, 2.2 meter. Okay, if we put a block here now, from here to here is a block, 9 inches. From here to here, we'll put a block down this way. This block is where the battery cage stand will stay. You understand? This is where the battery cage stand will stay. Are you seeing me? Are you seeing what I'm showing? So this place is a place where the battery cage stand will stay. Okay, I remember because someone needs to go through this side so that the person can pick the egg. So we are going to measure from here to here. Let's say 1 meter. This place, the length of this place is we have 3 meter, 3.5 meter half of it. From here to here now is 3.5 meter. How do we manage it now? We are going to be taking, because the cage actually is 2 meter long. The cage actually is 2 meter long, and we are left with 1.5 meter from here to here. We have to have, how do we manage 1.5 meter now? We are going to be saying, let's take, let me see, we just have only 1 meter to share. 1 meter, you can as well take 2 foot. 2 foot, let's take 2 foot. We measure from here to here, 2 foot. So we'll put the block here, from here to here, 2 foot too, so that 2 foot, so that somebody can go through here to pick the eggs. Then from here, 2 foot spacing, we now put the block down this way, so that someone can go through here to pick the egg. Then from here now we come 2 foot, whereby we now put the block from here down to that place. From this 2 coach block, you will take a block down to that place. We now measure from this place to this place, 2 meters. Then you put another block from here down to this place. We now have something like a gutter here, because this place is a block. You understand? This place is a block. There is now a hole here. This hole now, we are now going to do a flow through system, whereby here will be high. This place is high. Then from here, you slope it down to that place. So that when you come here, in order to control the smell, you put your water source, you put your hose. As you on the hose, you pump you open the water. The water will push the dungs down, because the thing is now slopey. Or if you want, if the water really wouldn't push it down to that place, you'll be using a wood, and you get a wood or a brush. As you are putting the water, you will be pushing the dungs, it will be flowing down to that place. But nevertheless, this thing I said now is a local way of doing it. We have what they call manure scraper. We sell manure scraper. If you want to see a manure scraper, look through our YouTube channel. You see what a manure scraper looks like. It will move the dungs from here down to that place. That is how the manure scraper is being designed. But should in case you are not buying manure scraper because you are buying a manure dryer, maybe you don't want to buy manure scraper, but should in case there are so many farms that use a manure scraper to scrape the dungs from here down there to that place to help easy the dungs flushing. So when you on the machine, the manure scraper will start scraping the manure while you'll be pouring water. The thing will be flowing down to that place. But if we're not buying a manure scraper, we can use something like a wood or brush, or this something that has a pool. As you on the water, you pushing the dung will be flowing down to the channel, because from here now down, that slopes down to that place. So there will be a channel at that place that collects the dung downstairs. We now use a PVC pipe like a gutter. We got a PVC pipe that it flows down to your what will I call it, your sewage stand, which is called sockaway in Nigeria. It will flow down to your sewage stand. You turn on, then when they are there, you turn on your manure dryer. It converts it to instant manure, which you can sell. If you watch our YouTube channel, you see when I'm displaying or when I'm talking about the manure dryer, where you can now sell them and make some money. So the same principle we do here, that is still what we are going to do here. Because looking at this space, it can only take 2 rows of battery cage. Actually, battery cage, we must have shown you that we have about 6 different types of battery cages. We have the locally fabricated ones. On the locally fabricated one, we have 3 sizes. We have for the 75, the 85, and the 95,000 or 96 capacity. While the 41 we sell for 85,000 and it's carrying 96. While that of and it's co-galvanized. All these things I'm telling you are co-galvanized. While our hot galvanized, it's 150,000 for 120 capacity. Our 120 capacity, we don't have 96 for hot galvanized. We only have hot galvanized battery cages in the 120 capacity, which is 150,000. We have the 3-tier, we have the 4-tier. We don't know the one you want. Any one you want. We have the cold dip, we have the hot dip, we have the locally fabricated. So anyone you want to go in for, you are free. Just make an order. We write a quotation, and quotation is free. We can write a quotation, then you see what you're going in for. So this place, this is what we are going to do. I will do one here, we'll do same here, so that there will be a flow through system there. So when you on your water, the water pushes it down to that place, goes down. Same thing we are doing here, that is same thing we are doing upstairs. So make sure that we reduce smell to a minimum, even though we cannot totally eradicate the smell of poultry dung here. I think I have been able to explain everything that needs to be explained. Should in case there is a question you want to ask me, should in case you have a farm like this, you want to control smell in your farm, you can also call me on 080-3692-5718. But if you are not in Nigeria, maybe I will be setting a lot of farms of several people that want to go in for, maybe they are coming back to Nigeria for their retirement, and we've opened a lot of farms of people in different countries of the world that want to come back for retirement, or they want to go into investment in the agricultural sector. Remember, we are into poultry, we are into fishes, we are into trampoline ponds, we are into pigs, we are into snail, we are into several things. We can build a house for you, or the pen for you, or whatever you want, as long as it has to do with agro line. You want to buy something from us, an agricultural product or agricultural finished product you want to sell in African restaurants in any part of the world, also call us. Our number is 080-3692-5718. But should in case you are not in Nigeria, you can, or you should always put our country code +234 80-3692-5718, and you'll be glad you did, because your satisfaction is our optimum desire. So should in case you want to do something like this, we are the best people. Just call us on 080. Remember, our name is Chris Farms and Extension Services, alias Chris Farm Nigeria. So many pirates or so many people that copy us, maybe they follow us, they'll just put their number there. Remember, our own site is www.chrisfarmnigeria.com. So the website again is www.chrisfarmnigeria.com. All our numbers are synchronized with Chris Farm Nigeria. If you are using a caller tone, if you call any of our number, is it the glow 080-5127-0981, or you are calling us with our NCN number 080-3692-5718, they are all branded with Chris Farm Nigeria. Should in case you are calling anybody and our number is not showing Chris Farm Nigeria from your caller tone, you will know that the person is either copying Chris Farm Nigeria or portraying himself to be one. So we are 24/7 online. Always call us, because we make sure that each time we are rendering a service, we make sure the person is satisfied. We take out the pain to visit the place. Now, this person we are in this farm, actually, we have not done any contract with him. We have not started anything with him, but we just came to supervise the place, to guide, let's say, tell the person the best option for him to do. And that is why I'm taking out the pain to take it step by step. We're from the first floor, from the underground to the first floor. We are now in the second floor, and this is just what I just observed that needs to be done in order to reduce the smell to an extent, so that everybody will not be complaining in your neighborhood that the smell is disturbing them. So if we can use this flow system, the thing will be perfect. We'll put the battery cage on top, the thing flows down to the other side. So now I believe I've been able to explain everything to you. Should in case you are not clear with anyone, always call us on +234 80-3692-5718. Or if you are in Nigeria already, no problem, just call us on 080-3692-5718. That is our NCN number. Should in case you want to reach out with Glow, you can call us on 080-5127-0981. If you are not in Nigeria, please remember to put our country code +234 80-3692-5718, and you will be glad you did. Thank you.